This is a roof install that DuraShield Roofing in Appleton recently completed, where we installed a designer, luxury, CertainTeed Presidential Shake shingle roof in shadow gray color. CertainTeed's Presidential Shake shingles offer homeowners a classic and luxurious roofing option that delivers exceptional durability, performance, and curb appeal. These shingles feature a multi-layer design that includes a fiberglass base, a protective outer layer, and a unique color blending technology that gives the shingles a stunning dimensional look. Presidential Shake shingles are designed to withstand winds of up to 110 miles per hour and come with a Class A fire resistance rating. In addition to their durability and performance benefits, Presidential Shake shingles offer a wide variety of color options, ensuring that homeowners can find the perfect match for their home's aesthetic. They are available in an array of colors that simulate the look of natural wood shake roofs, without the high cost and maintenance associated with a wood shake roof. Reach out to DuraShield Contracting for your no-obligation roof assessment and estimate today.